Hey guys, Jen here. So this is video number 2 when it comes to Rise of the Resistance here at Disney's Hollywood Studios. Video number 1 was all about how do you get in your boarding group? How do you ride this brand new ride? Now this video is the actual ride video. So I taped the whole thing so you guys can watch it. And at the end, you'll get my thoughts about the overall experience. If you missed the first video and you want to see it, I will include a link to it at the end of this video. Thanks, guys. Hope you enjoy.
Commander 9-9, please report back to ITS cockpit.
Good. Shouldn't you be in flight prep? Recruits, thank you for joining the cause. A covert resistance team led by my friend Finn has infiltrated a First Order Star Destroyer that is now headed to this system. Your outpost on Batu is no longer safe. We have transports waiting to take you to General Organa's secret base on Pucara. I'll regroup with you there. The Resistance desperately needs your help in our fight against Kylo Ren and the First Order. Remember, it is vital that you keep the location of the Pucara base secret. Lieutenant Beck, one of our top commanders, will lead you.
Affirmative. Transport is ready. 9-9 and I shall personally see them delivered.
Thank you, Lieutenant. Welcome to the cause. May the Force be with us.
Commander Poe Dameron and a squadron of X-Wings shall escort us to the rendezvous point on Pucara.
Roger, this is Black Leader. I hear you're a fine-looking group of recruits. Well, no time to waste. Let's get you on your way to the General.
Stand clear. Deck doors opening now.
Hurry. All recruits transport. No need for safety here. It'll be a smooth ride. Deck is in motion. Recruits taken to transport.
Initiate pre-flight sequence on Deck 3 for Pucara.
Reading on the fuel pressure line. That's better. Check the binary motivator. Yes, I just want to be sure.
All recruits must be on board now. Transport is away in 30 seconds.
Good. Yes. Good. Airspeed sensor? Thank you, 9-9. Black Leader, are you and your team ready?
Affirmative. Engines are hot. Red 2, Blue 5, report.
Red 2, check.
Blue 5 standing by.
Engage repulsors and hold on, recruits. More ships. Launch. I am Lieutenant Beck. As you heard from Ray, I have been tasked with getting you to Pucara.
Red 2, Blue 5, keep tight now. Let's get ready to make that jump to light speed on my mark.
Black Leader, we're picking up an unusual signal. Are you spotting anything?
Yeah, I see it. We'll check it out. BB-8, what do you got?
There appear to be a number of small craft heading our way. Raise the shields.
We got company. First Order TIE fighters. Reroute! Red 2, Blue 5, we got a clear path so transport can make the jump. They're all over us! I'm hit!
We lost Red 2. More incoming. Blue 5 taking evasive action.
Try to shake him, Blue!
I'm trying, but
We lost Blue 5! I'm gonna try to drive him away!
Copy that. Get us clear so we can make the jump.
Be ready, you won't have much time!
Where are all those TIE fighters coming from? Star Destroyers.
Get out of there!
We can't. We're caught in a tractor beam. It's pulling us in.
I'm gonna get some friends and make this a fair fight. Don't worry, I'll come back for you. Stay strong.
Cargo vessel TR-141, identify yourselves and prepare to be boarded.
This is TR-141. We are a civilian vessel. By whose authority are we being detained?
By the authority of the First Order, Resistance scum. Now bring down your shields and prepare to be boarded.
Little twig, get out there.
They'll want the location of our secret base. Tell them nothing. The future of the Resistance is at stake. I have a bad feeling about this. Stand back from those doors.
Resistance sympathizers, you and your ship have been captured by the First Order. Remove yourself from this transport now and proceed to your processing. Get off of the ship.
We're gonna wait.
Okay, I have to interject that this is massively huge in here. Oh my god, it's really like some kind of hangar deck and shit.
Quickly document your capture and move along down the hall to your right. Each side, keep your units together, whatever side you choose.
What side you should go? Choose
either side down this hallway. Only leave your communications with keep your units together.
Sorry. I'm sorry.
So now at this point, we already saw the stormtroopers and we're waiting in another line to get to the next section of the ride.
Stand here on silver. I'm stand on orange.
Leave us.
Yes, General.
Enemies of the First Order. We will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay. The Resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
We are needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
Stay in the color group they assigned you. You don't want them catching on. Blue is going to be in the front. Blue in the front, silver.
Orange.
Orange in the back.
Wait, you're still here? Poe's coming back with an attack force. Get to the escape pods now.
Seatbelt field left to right, recruits left to right only. Alright, go ahead, pull out the yellow
Su
structure.
seguridad, permanezcan sentados con su cinturón de seguridad bien ajustado. Mantengan las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del transporte y supervisen a sus niños.
And just watch your hands, arms, feet, legs, doors are closing now. And I would recommend holding on to hats, sunglasses, any type of headgear. Take off, hold on, just throw it away, okay? Alright, R5 is going to lead you the rest of the way, okay? Good luck.
then head down to the escape pod base. Those droids are programmed to return you to Batuu. Hurry and don't get caught. Lieutenant Beck will guide you.
Recruits, for your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. A drone droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, those are the prisoners. We are ready.
Your cover is blown. Find an alternate route. Who picked these two droids anyway?
Priority alert. Detachment delayed.
There they are. Fire!
The escape pods just follow us. Follow us now. Hurry! Hurry! No, not up! I said down!
This does not look good. Try to find another way down to the escape pods.
The Resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run.
Personnel, abandon ship. I repeat, abandon ship. This is short.
There's no escape. You will tell me the location of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the Resistance.
Came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck. All right, nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're Resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right, Beck? Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck. Line up, scan for his pod beacon.
More escape pods down in Sector 4. Verification pending from Key Command personnel.
Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck.
We're tracking Beck's pod at the wreckage, sir. It's...
Wreckage? I got a bad feeling about this.
No, sir. He came down at the wreckage site.
That doesn't sound good. He was the backbone of this operation. If anything happened to him,
Scans last show him in Sector 4.
should have waited for him.
Sir, you had no choice. You had to get those data tapes off the ship.
We never leave anyone behind.
Lieutenant Beck here.
Beck! You're alive!
I should hope so. Great job, recruits. Thanks to your heroism, the location of the Resistance base is secure. Bravo! Yes, R5, you too.
Nice work out there. Grab our gear cargo on 7's exit transport.
All right, you guys, so it was actually pretty cool. Milosh was a little concerned because we did watch it on YouTube, I know. But it looked kind of, it was deceptive on YouTube. It looked kind of like it was all VR, but it's not all VR. It's not all virtual reality. It's just that last part where you're flying. Otherwise, you're going through the different corridors. It's life-size. The cannons, you're underneath the cannons, you're underneath the AT-ATs. They are full size, awesome. It's really, really cool. And actually, this is perfect timing because this ended, I got out 10 minutes before my reservation at Oga's Cantina. So let's head on to that. I hope you guys enjoyed the ride and the whole process. I am still really tired from getting up so early today, but you know what? I consider a good ride if I'm excited for it, and they definitely build the excitement. Also, if you're riding the whole time and you have a smile on your face because it's really fun and really cool, that is also a good sign of an awesome ride. So I recommend it. Maybe, look, you got to get up early now. Who knows how it's going to be in the future? It's still new, so perhaps, obviously things might change, but heck, look at Flight of Passage in Pandora. I mean, gee, that's still forever when it comes to the wait times and hard to get fast passes. So probably in the future, they'll change this over to a fast pass ride. Right now, though, it's still this whole boarding passes. Oh, it's Chewy! Chewy! Hello, Chewy! Anyway, so again, you guys, thanks so much for watching. I hope you get to enjoy this ride as well. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for lots more great travel videos. I'll see you next time.